Hello folks, and welcome back to RC Gladiators. Today we'll be doing a review on the Hobby King FP100. Now, what you get in the package is a nice little USB cable, a dual charger port, which can charge not one, as shown here, but two LiPo batteries. Get out the way. Here we have the extras: a full set of main blades and the full set, well, one tail blade. Here you have a very nice, well constructed, sturdy, beautiful transmitter. Smooth stick movements. Takes 6 AA batteries. I like to use rechargeables, saves money. And it has also a charger built right in, so you can charge the batteries when the USB doesn't serve its purpose correctly. I mean, this is what it looks like when it's on. I can't show you what the screen does because it'll just blur the image. I'll make another video just for that. And here's the helicopter itself. You can see it says copter with a nice fiery black, orange, and red color. Good, nice color scheme. You can see here, flybarred head. Would have been even better if it was flybarless. Yeah, tail prop with the canopy removed. You can see all the inner workings. The antenna, which is this big white thing right here. The battery tray, which where the battery feeds in. Your gyro, your servos, your main motor, your shaft, and your main gears. I hate putting these things back on. Well, it takes too long to put that back on. Okay, I'll put everything up and show you what it looks like in the package. Like I said, I'll make another review about how it flies and what the screen does, and I'll make all of those videos tomorrow, so tune in to see those, because they will be out within the next 42 hours. So the new video signal will still be on by the time I make the other two videos. I just put the canopy back on. That's good enough for now. See you guys later.